Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the diagnostic presentation on DTC P1009, which indicates a variable valve timing control, VTC advanced malfunction specific to the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error relates primarily to the operation of the intake camshaft's phase adjustment mechanism, essential for optimizing engine performance under varying driving conditions. The VTC system uses oil pressure to actuate the timing, which means it adjusts the camshaft angle for improved efficiency and power delivery. If the camshaft phase angle is excessively advanced beyond necessary specifications, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, will flag this issue. It's crucial for maintaining emissions controls and ensuring adequate engine performance. In the following slides, we will delve into the details of the malfunction, potential causes, and systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve this DTC effectively. The variable valve timing control, VTC system, plays a vital role in adjusting the intake camshaft's timing, which directly affects engine performance and efficiency. Located within the engine assembly, the VTC actuator is engaged through oil pressure. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, continually monitors the camshaft position via a sensor known as the Camshaft Position (CMP) sensor. If the actual camshaft phase angle exceeds a predetermined range compared to the commanded angle, a malfunction signal is registered, leading to the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. The VTC system's role is essential during various driving conditions, optimizing timing for both power and fuel efficiency. An understanding of the location and operation of these components is critical to diagnosing and resolving VTC-related issues. Examining the possible causes of DTC P1009 provides valuable insight into the potential mechanical issues at play. One primary suspect is a stuck VTC actuator, which may fail to respond adequately, leading to an advanced phase angle. Another common contributor to this error could be cam chain elongation, resulting in timing misalignments that hinder proper VTC function. Additionally, the VTC oil control solenoid may be stuck, preventing the necessary oil pressure from reaching the actuator. Lastly, a short circuit within the VTC oil control solenoid can disrupt normal operation, triggering the DTC. Identifying these elements is crucial for a successful diagnosis. The detection of DTC P1009 typically exhibits several symptoms that can alert the driver to an underlying issue. The most apparent sign is the illumination of the check engine light, indicating that there's a fault code present. Following this warning, reduced engine performance may be noticeable. The vehicle might lack power or responsiveness due to improper timing adjustments. Further complications can arise in terms of fuel economy, where the engine may begin consuming more fuel than usual due to inefficient combustion linked to the faulty VTC. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in prompt diagnosis and prevent further engine damage. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle, which is crucial for establishing baseline conditions for diagnosis. It's important that the engine is warmed up, as certain variables may affect the VTC's response. After starting, you will connect the Honda Diagnostics System, or HDS, which allows you to access the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. The HDS can provide real-time data on the camshaft position, oil control solenoid status, and other pertinent parameters that may have triggered the DTC. Ensure the HDS is calibrated and functioning properly to gather accurate information during this diagnostic phase. In Step 2 of troubleshooting, it's essential to check for any additional diagnostic trouble codes present. Often, A single issue may be accompanied by other codes that can provide a well-rounded view of the vehicle's current state. If any active codes such as P0335, P0339, P0340, P0341, or P0344 are detected, they should be addressed prior to focusing solely on P1009, as they may point to related faults in the timing or sensor systems. Once any interference codes are identified or cleared, you can proceed with further diagnostics specifically targeting the VTC system. Clearing the DTCs will reset the PCM and can also eliminate false alerts if the issues are resolved. After performing the necessary repairs related to DTC P1009, it's critical to verify that the issue has been resolved. This step involves monitoring the engine's operation under various conditions to ensure that the VTC system functions as intended. Check for responsiveness and performance, confirming that the intake camshaft is operating within its specified limits. Additionally, you should run the vehicle through multiple drive cycles where the conditions for the DTC's monitoring are met to ensure that the PCM does not register the DTC again. If the check engine light remains off and no new codes appear, it indicates that the repair has been successful. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P1009, implementing a strict preventive maintenance routine is paramount. Regular oil changes are essential, as oil quality impacts the performance of the VTC actuator and solenoid systems. Regular inspections of the cam timing components, including chains and actuators, help identify signs of wear or damage before they lead to operational failure. Additionally, keeping track of overall engine performance through diagnostics can help catch any irregular behavior early. By being proactive with maintenance and addressing any related issues as they arise, you can greatly enhance the longevity of the VTC system and ensure smooth engine operation. In conclusion, addressing DTC P1009 requires not only an understanding of the variable valve timing control system, but also a systematic approach to diagnose and remedy the issue effectively. The VTC system's function in optimizing engine performance is crucial for both power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it imperative to respond promptly to any malfunctions. By following a structured set of troubleshooting steps, such as those involving the HDS diagnostics and careful monitoring of engine conditions, you can successfully resolve the code and its impacts. To further enhance engine reliability, committing to a routine preventive maintenance schedule will help maintain VTC functionality and overall vehicle performance, thereby ensuring a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.